Happy Saturday, folks. I'm out here with my first coffee, or I should say second or third coffee. Just watching the world wake up while Bitcoin out here holding $70,000 like its life depends on it. If you saw the stock market sliding all week, but you noticed your crypto bag stayed steady, you're witnessing something rare but expected. And I do believe it's something we've talked about happening for a very long time, but it's finally happening. The decoupling, right? So for the first time in a while, we aren't just a high beta version of the Nasdaq. Crypto is standing on its own 2 feet for once, right? It's getting recognized for what it really truly is. Bitcoin is getting recognized for what it really truly is, even by the big names and the ones that once argued against it, laughed at it, and continue to fight it, even though the banks are still fighting the stablecoins. But the big story right now, the trending top story right now while we were sleeping, is not just the price of Bitcoin. It's not the price of the market. It is the policy. And it's the policy pivot that we're seeing take place. We're seeing coordinated monetary easing and finally that regulatory clarity that we've been grinding for since 2018. The SEC and the CFTC are finally playing nice, and that's why institutional money is quietly flowing into the ETFs, even on a boring Saturday morning. Now, we have to think about altcoins. We still have to think about altcoins. Shifting to Bitcoin, focus is mainly on Bitcoin, but we have to talk about altcoins because I know that is where the real heat is on this channel. And Solana is still the king of search volume right now, so it's the fastest lane for retail, but don't sleep on Ethereum. We cannot forget about ETH. Some people believe that ETH might lose its spot as the top 2 cryptocurrency by market cap. I still believe that Ethereum will hold its reins. Let me know what you think in the comments section down below. The layer 2 gravity from Base and Arbitrum is pulling value back into the ecosystem. So I think that is good for Ethereum and ERC20s. And for the XRP army out there, although myself, I have not ever really been part of the XRP army, XRP and Ripple are really making waves. With the legal appeals finally behind them, XRP is reclaiming its spot as the regulated friendly giant. And so if you're holding these, today is about patience. As always, it's about patience, not chasing. We don't chase green candles. Now, technically, for Bitcoin, we're going to keep our eyes on that 69,028, $69,000 level support. That is Fibonacci support. If we stay above that throughout the weekend, Monday open is going to be explosive. So I'll be keeping my I'll be keeping my eyes on these levels, and $68,000 to $69,000 for Bitcoin. And of course, if you're looking to trade, check the links in the description for some exclusive bonuses for the community. And the exchanges that I am partnered with are well-known and good exchanges. And when it's the weekend and the volatility hits, you need an exchange that does not freeze up. So check the links in the description. I've got the best links for those if you're looking to score some of those profits. Now, look, it's Saturday. Set your alerts. Put the phone down after you watch this video, of course, and go enjoy your life. Go to the park. Hang out with the family. The charts will be here when you get back. Stay grounded, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.